Sani bonani ninjani siyathemba ukuthi niyaphila. Please make sure you like, you press, you leave a comment and you engage. Today we're speaking about our South African Afro soul icon Simphiwe Dana, who set social media on the buzz on a Monday morning with a now deleted post on X accusing Trax Nomzamo Mbatha and Ishaga Ilembe production team of appropriating her signature hairstyle without giving her due credit. The post, which went viral, ignited a flurry of reactions before Dana removed it, citing concerns about the conversation taking a tribal turn. Dana, known for her powerful voice and apologetic advocacy for African identity, expressed frustration in the deleted post, claiming that Nomzamo Mbatha and Ishaga Ilembe production team has took his hairstyle. Right? Honey, there's a difference between appreciation and appropriation, says Simphiwe Dana. You are not the only one. I am fed up. It's deeply disconcerting and cringe, she wrote, reposting a picture of Nomzamo Mbatha. She further said she's very disappointed together to Nomzamo and Ishege ini guys Ishaga why I keep on saying Ishege Ilembe Ishaga crew. Utige, I'm so disappointed because I love you. Undire, the hitmaker, celebrated for weaving African cultural elements into her music and personal style, suggested that the production team should have recognized her influence given how closely her brand is to amalintuzane to lezo nto lezi zama aphrodisiac leza azenzayo. Ayike kodwa ke abantu on social media they decided ukuthi it's not about you. But they were like, baby, please don't talk about me ever. I've deleted the post because you want to make it tribal when it could have never been, given my disposition. Omunye we social media take when supporters like Simphiwe Dana has been rocking these hairstyles for years. It's only right for Ishaga Ilembe to give her a credit. Abanye ke kodwa bathe the hairstyles are part of our shared Zulu heritage. No one owes them. No one, even you, Simphiwe. So kumbula ukuthi Simphiwe ukuthi she's not new on ilintozane controversy. In 2004, she went and publicly accused of sports and culture minister ngokuthi wambhala lapha kulabantu abathola imali, washo kuSimphiwe ukuthi nakaza athola imali. Akagcinanga ke lapho futhi uSimphiwe uke waphumela obala washo ukuthi yena akasabathanda abantu besilisa usethanda abantu besifazane. Lokho comes after she was cheated on by her American boyfriend that promised her umshado. She also came out for towards him. She has been a side chick at some stage and a side chick for quite some time. So I get kumusha kulento, but guess she then decided to delete the post because simply the fact that she realized that South Africans were not on her side, right? Abantu they believe ukuthi la hairstyle have been bathi wayena wayintshontsha kuthandiswa mazwayi nothandiswa mazwayi wayintshontsha ku Miriam Makeba no Miriam Makeba wayithatha ethombeni kade lento yenziwe. These here are the pictures of these hairstyles. So ke uNomzamo, apparently she's not wrong for doing the hairstyle because girl akayoni I hairstyle, even though girl believes ukuthi ama hairstyle la uyawaona ke. And yeah, Nomzamo decided ukuthi she's not gonna respond. She was like, girl, I'm making money, I'm not even interested to Simphiwe Dana. Guys, do you remember Simphiwe Dana? Do not see di ready di ready di oke waxabana ke nothandiswa amazwayi watshela uSimphiwe Dana ukuthi akakhulume nama artists angakwazi ukucula abhembayo. But anyway, what do you think? Ubani on hairstyle? Does hairstyle belong to Simphiwe Dana because she rocks it more and every day, or belong to Thandiswa Mazwayi because she started, or Miriam Makeba, or nobody the hairstyle belong again? What do you think? Do you really believe ukuthi uNomzamo necrew yakhe ba inspire uSimphiwe Dana ukuthi ebenzele ama hairstyle? But ke naba besebewenza kakhulu ke ngafuna uqamba manga. But I think they were doing this hairstyle because show yabo Ishaga Ilembe, and so they wanted to show ukuthi ke ba belivela angibazi ba belivela kubaZulu ngempela. I don't know, but ke do you think ukuthi uNomzamo untshontshe hairstyle na? Yes or no?